Interested in a career in the UK construction industry and wondering how to get your CSCS card? Well, whether you're starting out or have decided to climb the career ladder in construction, this guide is here to make it simple. Let's walk through everything you need to know, from the types of cards available to the steps and costs involved. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the cards themselves. There is actually no specific legal requirement to hold a CSCS card, but in order to ensure that their workers have the appropriate qualifications and experience, most principal contractors and major house builders require all workers on their sites to hold a valid card before they will allow them to start work. There are several types of card available, depending on your role and qualifications. If you're just starting, you'll likely need the green laborer card. For skilled workers, there's the blue card. Supervisors and managers can go for the gold or black cards. If you're an academically qualified person, there is the white card, and if you're in training or an apprentice, there's a red card for you too. Each card reflects your specific qualifications and your role on site. So, how do you get one? Here's a quick rundown of what you need to do. 1. Pass the CITB Health, Safety, and Environment test. This is a multiple-choice exam to ensure you understand construction safety. 2. Provide proof of your qualifications. Depending on the card, you may need a relevant NVQ or equivalent training. 3. Apply for your CSCS card. You can do this through the official website or over the phone. Alternatively, you might prefer to use a professional training company, such as Gold Cross Training. They can handle everything for you, from booking the necessary training to ensuring your CSCS card is delivered straight to your letterbox. Once approved, your card will be sent to you in about 10 days. It's as simple as that. Now, let's talk money. The CITB Test Direct costs £22.50 and the CSCS card itself is £36. So altogether, you're looking at a minimum of £58.50. Obviously, it will be more when paying somebody else to do it for you, and remember, additional costs will apply if you're pursuing an NVQ or undertaking any preparatory training, such as the CITB Health Safety and Awareness Test, so budget accordingly. And that's it. Getting your CSCS card is an essential step for working in construction, and now you've got the knowledge to make it happen. Best of luck with your application, and here's to you building a successful construction career.